Tips for selection of right digital marketing tools for manufacturing business. As a manufacturer, are you still stuck in the era of word of mouth marketing? Have you lost your customer because of lack of online presence? If yes, then the next 2 minutes you will definitely get answers to your questions. I'm Amey Katkar, founder and CEO of India's leading B2B marketing firm, 4P Solutions. While digital marketing isn't new, many manufacturing companies are still using old school techniques for lead generation and promotion. For modern manufacturers to stay relevant, they need to embrace the digital space. Manufacturers and industrial sectors are often so focused on product innovation and production that they neglect to market how it can benefit customers. When marketed on proper channels, manufacturing companies can push their sales, reaching the right customer. Now check out the best tools of digital marketing for manufacturing business to beat the competition. Tool number 1. Customer Relationship Management Software or CRM. The manufacturing industry has evolved to be much more customer-centric over the last few years. And a CRM is an invaluable tool to help manufacturers to be more organized, sell more products, and create more satisfied customers. It is also extremely essential for manufacturing business for visibility and data management. Some of the best CRM tools in the market are Salesforce, HubSpot, Zoho, and many more. Tool number 2. Search engine marketing and search engine optimization. Imagine your target audience searching for the top manufacturing company in your industry on Google, and your company name doesn't appear on the search engine result page. According to research, approximately 67% of users do not navigate past the first 5 ranking of a search engine result page. Search engine marketing is the process of gaining traffic and visibility from search engines through both SEO as well as Google Ads. Website traffic is extremely important to the success of your manufacturing company, especially when 81% of consumers do online research before committing to a product or service. Tools like Google Ads, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Google Analytics, Google My Business help B2B business owners connect with buyers and get more sales and qualified leads. Tool number 3. Social media marketing. 84% of B2B marketers use some kind of social media marketing for business development. And a lot of that growth has taken place very recently. LinkedIn, YouTube, and to some extent Facebook are good social media tools for manufacturing companies to engage with prospective customers and potential partners. Tool number 4. Email marketing. Email marketing is one of the most cost-effective strategies for marketing your manufacturing company. Sending monthly newsletters helps you stay in touch with potential customers. Even though they might not be ready to contract your services when they first subscribe, you will be the first business they contact when they actually do. Within email newsletters, you can include company updates, special offers, information about upcoming product launches, etc. You can use tools like MailChimp, SendingBlue, HubSpot, GetResponse, and so on to send direct marketing messages to get new customers and also retain existing ones. No matter what your company manufactures, a steady client pipeline is what keeps your business running smoothly. And today, the best way to reach your customers is definitely digital marketing. If you found this video useful, then do subscribe to our Mindful Marketeers channel. See you in our next video.